The same stationary boundary that has brought drenching amounts of rainfall across western Japan, including Hiroshima, is stretching down all the way into southern China. So southern areas of China as well as central locations have been hit by floods and landslides as well. Take a look at a video coming worse here, but the low pressure system now used to be a tropical depression traveling over the southeastern coast in a northerly direction. It has changed its form and has weakened, but no matter how the strength is, it's going to be pulling more rainfall across the Shanghai region now. It's going to be very active. It's stretching all the way into the Korean Peninsula, so southern areas of the Korean Peninsula will also be quite activated with up to 100 millimeters of additional rainfall. Some localized area could possibly see about 200 millimeters, certainly enough to cause more flooding. Down towards the south, Hong Kong has received about 550 millimeters of rainfall in the past 24 hours, so no more additional rain is welcomed. But welcoming rain could be provided in and around northeastern locations of China. Changchun will finally start to see the rain set in by Friday, and that could traverse for the next few days. So that's what people have been waiting for in the severe drought locations. It has been one of the worst drought in half a century across these locations. Flooding is a huge concern now in southwestern U.S. We have a stretch of monsoonal flow from northern Mexico all the way into the Four Corners, especially in and around Arizona. A few rivers have already exceeded the flood stages, so any additional amounts could trigger flooding. Out towards the east, the eastern half will look quite emitted. Another area with severe thunderstorms will be down into Midwest, stretching from southern Saskatchewan and Alberta. Temperature are as followed. Denver at 31 degrees with chance of thunderstorms, and the Florida Peninsula also looking very messy. Here's a picture for Europe, a similar picture indeed since yesterday. We have very wet and windy conditions to the north and then extreme heat down towards the south. Thunderstorms will be provided anywhere along the border of these two air masses, and the cooler air will be pulling into the British Isles. So for the next few days, you're looking at cooler temperatures about autumn-like weather, and you'll probably need umbrellas in handy. I'll leave you now for extended forecast.